What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of KingeraldTV. Today we are going to be riding the Ducati Monster for the third time. Yes, that is correct. This is the third time. The second time that I rode this, I unfortunately did not have my my camera with me, so I was riding it, freestyling it, and I did pretty good. The second time I was going around about practicing my engine braking. This time I'm actually outside in the open field rather than around the neighborhood. But with popular demands and a lot of comments. Okay, maybe not a lot of comments. Wait a minute, the audio is not syncing up here. That's not right. Why is it going brr when it's not supposed to? Alright, so this part, apparently the audio got cut off and I'm too lazy to fix it. So I'm out here about to go lane split, I think, maybe, yes.
Oh, that guy sounds so good.
Oh yeah, no, it sounds real good. Yup, there I am. I'm filtering through these cars. This is actually this is my first time filtering through these cars, through cars in general. So I did pretty good. Everything was pretty lined up, you know? Oh yeah, no, that's just so good right there. So good. Too much gas there? I don't know what's happening. Alright, reset. This was me about to start my day. Yes sir. I'm gonna go for the ride. I'm thinking about doing a whole commentary here, but I don't know. Alright, cool, yeah. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna make a whole commentary throughout the whole video, but gonna skip through a little bit of this. This is kind of long. What am I doing here? Am I just like holding the tank? What? Bro, chill. Cut. Come on, future me, cut this video. What are you doing? Alrighty, well, it's gonna be a long commentary. I don't really want to cut too much into it. Just want to like let it free ride. Alright, I did a little bit of commentary there. Anyways, I'm about to cut it right now. Second gear? Yep, and then what? Bro. Where am I going here? I think I'm going up north of Sierra. Just going straight north. Oh, I stopped. Okay, tell me about this. Like, should I stop here or should I stop to the right of the lane? That's like, I'm not too sure. I feel like I'm visible here. You know? It's like part of it. It should be visible.
I need my gloves, bro. I need to get that man with gloves.
Yeah, I'm riding like a squid. I don't have any gloves. But it's okay. Actually, 2 days ago of this commentary, I bought some new gloves, and I'll show you guys that on the next video. So no worries there. We got gloves. We're not squid anymore. Got the helmet, got the gloves. I think the next thing I'm gonna buy is a jacket, like an alpine jacket. Comment down below which jacket I should get. I got this Johnny Rocket one, but it's too big on me. And then the guys at Cycle Gear are telling me like you should get one that's like nice and snug and like not too loose. Oh, here we go again. Look at me. Yes, lane splitting. I think that's what they term the terminology there. I know there's a difference between lane splitting and lane splitting and lane filtering. There we go. That is exactly what I did. Lane filtering. Alright, cut. Oh yeah, no, this is my ride going up north of Sierra. First solo ride. This route was actually 16 miles going up. That's not too bad. It's beautiful going up there, especially this is a section where it's like all trees and it just feels like you're going up the mountain. But it's a short one. For 16 miles, It was around 30 minutes. Took me about an hour back and forth. I didn't gas in this. I didn't put any gas. I just went straight up. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You hear that? That just sounds so good. Sounds so good. And again, guys, don't mind me with no gloves. I'm riding like a squid. I probably should not do that. But I got gloves. I got gloves now. So on the next video, you'll see me riding with gloves. Protect yourself at all times. Ooh, see that part right there? Like, I downshifted, and it felt like the engine braking just, got to me. What am I doing? I feel like that's the next thing I need to learn is how to downshift nice and smooth. Because so like, let's say I'm hitting the throttle, right? Hit the throttle. I'm getting ready to downshift, so I lock off the throttle. I pull in that clutch. I downshift with my left leg, and I rev match slowly, putting the throttle, and also releasing the clutch. But I feel like I'm doing it wrong, where when I release just a little bit of that clutch, it's like it wants to slow down and like flip forward. I don't know, you guys. Tell me about it. I feel like I'm... Whoa, okay, calm down. I feel like I'm doing something wrong, you know? But my acceleration, I've been getting a lot better. Oh my gosh. Speaking of which, acceleration. With the new gloves, I felt so off because I can't feel the friction zone with the gloves. So you'll see on the future video where it's like hard for me to like... I stalled like 2 times when I had the gloves on last time. But without the gloves, riding like this, it's cool. It's chill. Definitely feels a lot more weird with gloves on. But now I'm chilling right here. Look at me. Like, how fast is this? 50s? Good normal 50s. Remind you guys, this is a Ducati 797 2018. I think it's beast, 800cc. What's this? Alright, I cut to this part. I don't know why I cut to this part. It's just me going around the neighborhood. Mr. Rogers. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh, I hope... Should I cut that? Oh. But anyways. What am I talking about here?
I'm gonna start looking at my miles per hour and how fast I'm actually going before I wasn't actually doing that. I don't know, like, that's good. So, like, right here, I don't know what to do with it. Like, do it gas? Engine brake, slow down. It's a lot to, like, So, here's the stop sign, right? So, I'm gonna go to first gear, nice and slow. I'm still using my braking power right here.
Ooh, excuse me. Sounds so good. Sounds so good. Alright, so I remember what I was doing in this. I believe it was using my right leg to brake. And engine braking. That's what I was practicing on this session. Yeah, less on the front brake, more on the rear brake, and if anything, I'll use that front brake as well. But other than that, yeah, I think it was like, I don't know what's the rule, like a 50-50? Is it 70-30 front brake? Alright, I'm talking over myself. Alright, this is me going out into the wilderness. That is crazy. Alright.
Alright, so we're gonna go to the street, finally. See, it doesn't even tell you if you're thinking on the thing, bro. Fucking sucks.
Alright.
Riding, baby.
We're riding, baby. I remember what I did over here. I was going. Oh, I don't know if the headphones. Okay, that's not good. Where was I going here? I was going to go get some halo halo. And I'm talking commentary. Oh yeah, you hear that? Sounds so good. I'm gonna stop talking before I get it right now.
Why were you slowing down, bro? For what? Yeah, baby. 45 miles per hour, baby. Gotta get some halo halo, baby.
I'm gonna get the halo halo. Yes, sir.
I don't know. I don't dig it.
So really quick, this place is called Papa Babes. It's like 5 minutes away, and halo halo is like $5. No, $8. $8, bro. But it's pretty good. Pretty good. Just gotta get it when it's fresh. Boom, boom. Alright, this is me making my left turn. Oh my gosh. So, I think I got scared here and just said,
Oh
just
my
stay
God.
behind this
Fucking
truck.
terrible.
Yep,
Terrible.
that is exactly what I did. Stayed behind this truck and made that left turn.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I'm grinning ear to ear right now. That part was so good. This is the part where it's actually nice and good. Woo. Yeah, because this is like one of the most straightest, not straightest, but like this is one of the longest part where it doesn't really have a stop sign and there's not much of a curve. Oh my gosh, let me tell you about the curves. I had to slow down. I was kind of scared that I might like go overboard with the turns. I don't know if it's here. No, it's not here. It's later down this path where I was like, damn, I gotta slow down. And I was using more of the front brake on this one. It's so good just riding a motorcycle. It feels so nice. There we go. Yes. If you guys haven't gotten a motorcycle yet, it's so good. So good. It felt so bad. Yeah, that was one of the turns where it's just like a little bit too much. Hanging for my dear life. Yep, yep. Tell me, guys, is this like an acceptable speed going around these turns? I know like the video doesn't do it justice, but like, you know, I think I stopped by. Oh, I did. I stopped by. I let this other car behind me go. Yeah, there we go. You saw that in the top left corner. Ooh. Oh man, for a motorcycle, I was pretty slow. I mean, this is my third time riding, and this is my first time riding alone going up. So, cut. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Also, comment down below. Do you guys like this angle, or should I point it more forward towards the, forward? Because this was a lovely ride going up. So good. So good. Alright, well, I don't want to keep you guys waiting. I don't think I'm going to skip through a little bit of this and comment here and there, but overall, this was a fun ride. Dude, I think I just talked over there. Let me see real quick. Yeah, fun ride. going up. So
I'm
good.
right here.
If you guys haven't already, make sure try this trail out. 16 miles north of Sierra here in Fontana. Great view, great scenery. At the third part of the road, it's like open field. But yeah, I'm gonna start commenting here and there. Not much, but oh my gosh. So good. And I wish my footage could have gotten a lot more. Especially the trees when it was like a little bit windy. So good.
Yes, sir! I don't know how to transition. So I was trying to transition from fourth to third gear, but like it just felt weird, you know. Where'd he go? Okay, 35. Cruising along. Ducati. Fuck, secure it, baby. Oh, hells yeah, man, we made it alive. I think later we're gonna go that way, go straight. Straight on the right. Hells yeah, man. Alright, let's go get some holla holla. Ow! That was a rock. It's beautiful, you guys. Oh yeah, baby. Running around so far. So good! So good! Okay, I think that right here, that's a strong way. After work hours. And then at the end of this, we're gonna do like a U-turn and go down. So I don't know how to like turn yet. That's, like I know how to turn, I just don't know how to like. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful view. people just go through that, go, where the hell are we? There better not be any coyotes out there. I don't remember going all the way here. Engine brake, gas, engine brake, gas, and no, I'm kidding. Let's slow down. I don't know what to... Oh, there we go. Go slow. Made it to wherever this is. Oh, made it, y'all. It's just, we're gonna cool down our bike, so we're gonna let it. Hello, sir. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, they're close. Yeah. Oh. I think so too, yeah. Yeah. I feel like they're not recording. Oh, this one's dead too. Well, you don't see me going down, but anyways. Look at that, bro. Look at that. The engine brake is crazy. Oh my god, dude. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me.
If you guys stayed until this part of the ride of the video, thank you guys so much. As always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe for future videos and content. There's a lot of things I want to do in this video, and it's just the beginning. Again, thank you so much for your support. At least just even going through like a minute of it. But if you guys got through all of this, thank you. And yeah, ride safe out there. If you haven't gotten your bike, make sure you go do it, because it's gonna be fun. And hit me up. We can go riding sometime. Here in California, Los Angeles. I think the next one might be Los Angeles Creek. Don't quote me on that. Future G will make that happen. Anyways, you guys, +1 ahead of the game. I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.